Hey friends, quick question. Does your Android car screen take longer to boot than your actual engine? Still stuck on the same ugly icons since you bought it? Or maybe it just froze mid-drive and you had to pull over and restart the whole car? Yeah, we've all been there. That's why I want to introduce you to a service that's helping drivers around the world fix, upgrade, and enjoy their car screens again. It's called FixMyDash. FixMyDash is like your car screen's personal IT team. Available worldwide, remote only, and ridiculously easy to work with. We help car owners repair system crashes, upgrade outdated interfaces, add real voice control, activate 360-degree features, replace weird boot animations with something you actually want to see. And the best part? No tools, no shops, no waiting. Just your car, a USB, and our team walking you through every step. Here's the breakdown of what we offer and why it's better than what you'll find elsewhere. System repair for crashes, stuck boots, or blank screens, UI replacement. Say goodbye to ugly, outdated menus, voice control activation, hands-free commands like open YouTube, navigate home, and more 360 model unlock. Bring your cameras to life with panorama support custom boot logo. Want your own name, car brand, or startup animation? We got you. All of this is done remotely. You don't need a mechanic. You need Wi-Fi and WhatsApp. Here's how easy this is. Go to FixMyDash.com, pick what you need, and we keep it simple, pay securely. We send the files and steps to your WhatsApp. You follow the instructions using a USB stick. You reboot the car, and it works. That's it. No team viewer, no risky downloads, no stress. And we're always on standby to help, in plain English. Now let's talk about the part you're probably wondering about. How much? Well, here's what I'll tell you. Our pricing is way below the market average. We don't lock you into monthly plans. We don't upsell nonsense. You pay once for what you need. And right now, we're giving everyone who messages us a coupon worth $8 off any service. So whether you're upgrading the UI or unlocking voice control, you're paying far less than any dealer or shop would charge you. And it's done faster. Our customers are from the US, UK, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, France, India. And you know what they say? Wow, I thought I'd have to replace the whole screen. I didn't even know my car could do this. You just saved me hundreds. That's what FixMyDash does. We turn your screen from a problem into a feature. And it feels really good when your car finally does what you paid for. So if you're tired of your screen freezing, lagging, or just looking terrible, do something about it. We're ready to help you fix it, upgrade it, or even make it talk to you. Website, www.fixmydash.com. WhatsApp, +8 6187 737 91780. WeChat, Wang's 980425, Salma Lianxi. TikTok, at FixCarScreen. YouTube, at FixMyDash. Comment boot 8, message us, or just check out the site. We'll take care of the rest. FixMyDash in your car, your rules,